Did you know that in the Middle Ages, animals could be put on trial just like people? If a pig hurt someone or a rooster was believed to lay a devil's egg, they could be taken to court. They had real trials with judges, lawyers, and even punishments. One famous case happened in 1386 in France, where a pig was put on trial for attacking a child. The pig was found guilty and was actually dressed in human clothes before being executed. As strange as it sounds, people back then believed justice applied to all creatures, humans and animals alike.